Hi guys, and welcome back for another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. So in this video I'm going to do 6 sight reading tests from these books. Now this of course does presume that you've either got the exam pack version of this book or you've got the separate book with the scales and the sight reading tests in here. Either way, the sight reading tests are the same. So how this is going to work is I'm going to call out a number of a particular sight reading test. You're going to pause the video, I'll show you when, and then have a go at that sight reading test, and then I'll demonstrate it for you and show you what you should have played. So I hope you find this useful. Let's get into it. Here we go. Okay, so our first test is number 3 and it's marked espressivo and there are no sharps or flats in the key signature. Okay, so pause the video, have a go at that, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so you should have played something like this. And our next test is number 6. There's a B flat in the key signature and it's marked allegretto. Have a go at that and pause the video. Okay, so you should have played something like this. And moving on to number 8, alla Marcia, 4/4 time and an F sharp in the key signature. Pause the video and have a go at that. Okay, so it should have sounded something like this. And next we're going to play number 9. It's marked moderato in 2/4 time with an F sharp in the key signature. Pause the video and have a go at that. And it should have sounded something like this. And moving on to number 15, marked allegro, 4/4 time with a B flat in the key signature. Pause the video and have a go at that. Okay, and you should have played something like this. And lastly, we're going to play number 20, which is marked allegretto, no sharps or flats in the key signature. Pause the video and have a go at that. And you should have played something like this. Okay, so that's it for this video, I think. I hope that gave you some extra help before your exam. Best of luck for your exam. I hope you get a really good mark, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.